Hello everybody, welcome to a new repair show. We have today a Logitech MX Master. I think it's the first version and I think it's about 3 years old, maybe 4, and the battery isn't that good anymore, and we're gonna open it up and try to replace the battery. Yeah, we're gonna inspire people to repair their devices to use them a little bit longer. It's a great mouse. I'm very satisfied with it, so that's the reason why I'm going to replace the battery. So let's go. So the mouse is off. I see we have 2 screws here, Torx. So let's get into it. Oh, it's a T5 screw Torx. Let's just try to rip it apart. No, doesn't work. I mean, we can stick that back easily. Okay, found another screw hole. I don't know if you have one also here, but bowing. Let's take a plastic tool. Slide around the edges. We can. Not much happening here. Okay, we made a click and another click, so now we can take that apart. We have a flex cable here. Let's just disconnect that. Lift that up. And it jumps right out. And here we have our rechargeable battery. So, looks like it's sticked on that plastic frame. Let's open up these 2 screws. Magic wheel. Writing on the battery, if some of you are interested, what we need: 500 milliamps, 3.7 volts, 1.9 watts. And we have, of course, a battery connector. Piece of foam on there. Let's pull that off. Gonna put that back later. Now we're just gonna grab in there and lift it up. Good. So this is sticked to the back. Of course, I think we're gonna use some alcohol. Just waiting a little bit. Can also take a very thin tool to kind of cut through. I think we don't need it. That's it. So, battery is out. Now we need a new battery. Okay, we have a new battery. We have enough adhesive here, so still very sticky. I'm gonna reuse that. No need for a new one. Okay, position. Push it a little bit. And installed. Should hold good enough. Yeah, good. Back into the housing. Let's first connect the battery. Just push it in there. Good. Oh, our adhesive. I'm gonna put that back, push a little bit. Put that in position. Get our screwdriver. We have all the same kind of screws, except the two stars here, which are in front. So nothing to really mix up. So now I put the cover back on. And in the meanwhile, while we're disassembled here, let's just clean it a little bit. So let's put that flex cable back. That lip up. Okay. Doesn't go very deep in there, so okay, good enough. So then I'm gonna start on the back side here, or let's say we start here on that long arm. And it does just click, very easy. Nice design, awesome. Good, let's put all the screws back. Rubber. Push that back. Still sticks very good. Completely reusable. I think you could also change this one. I haven't looked that up. Still enough material on there, so I don't need to change that. So let's start on the edge here. Then push that along. And that's it. We should probably test that before putting it back together, but what should go wrong? Can't be worse than the old battery. Milliamps. Okay, I think that's it. We're gonna wrap it up. Very easy task. I hope it helps someone to know or find out which kind of battery you need and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's it. We replaced the battery of a Logitech MX Master and we can go for maybe another 3 years and have fun with it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.